A very big update on OLA Airdrop. We've mined on this platform and a new update has been released on this project. And this update is about the claiming process. So the update was released 5 hours ago. So that is what we want to see in this video. I'll guide you through the processes on how to do that. So, and this particular project is going to be listing on git.io. So let's take a look at what is here and see what to do. Now, you have a lot of information here about this project, but this particular video is going to guide us on how to claim our airdrop. And this information was released 6 hours ago. Now, here is it. Claim your share. Register your airdrop address with gate.io, receive your token before TGA, then drive into the price pool, blah blah like that. So a lot of information has been released here. So that is what we're going to do in this particular video. So to claim your airdrop, you have to follow this simple instruction. First of all, I will drop the link to these sites in a Telegram channel as well in the video description. You can follow the same process on your Kiwi browser. If you use your Kiwi browser, if you are not using your laptop, I will advise you use your Kiwi browser. Now here is the process. Now you can see register now on olafoundation.io/airdrop. Once you click on this link, it comes up like this. Now you have access to this information. But before we go into that, let's quickly read through this airdrop claim rule. Now, the first one says connect your wallet to check eligibility. This airdrop is applicable for massive season 1 verifier and OVP holders. Guys, if you are not sure if you are part of this project from the beginning, I will drop a link into this video description that will guide you to check your eligibility for season 1 as well as your OVP holder. If season 2 and 3 verifier and other contribution will receive airdrop in future airdrops. Then the second rule says register airdrop address. Register with your git.io or Ethereum address before 4 p.m. November 13 UTC. You can only select one option to receive your OLA token. Now you have two options here to use your git.io user ID as well as your EVM wallet. Now, user who fail to register by the deadline will have their token distributed during the next airdrop. So if you qualify for this particular season 1 and you are unable to meet up or you are unable to verify your account or you are unable to register an account, you will to get your airdrop on the next distribution. Now, claim OLA token. If you register with gate.io, you will receive your token on November 14 and a share price of $20,000 with OLA token. So if you use your gate.io, you're going to benefit from this. And if you register with Ethereum address, you need to claim your token manually starting from November 14 as TGE. Gas fee may apply. So if you have not created an account with gate.io, I will encourage you to tap on the link in the video description to create your gate.io account. You can still verify your account within 24 hours. You are good to go. So let's proceed with this process. The first thing you have to click on this button to connect your wallet. Now click on MetaMask. Then a call will come up here, guys. Then click on MetaMask. Make sure you connect the MetaMask you've connected to OLA mining platform. Very compulsory. So here is the wallet address. Click on next. Click on this. Now click on confirm. Your wallet address has been connected. This address is not your EVM wallet address, but if you are sure of the EVM wallet address you've connected, you are good to go. Now you can see the eligibility here, guys, that the eligibility of this project comes up here. I have it here. You can see now season 1, season 2, season 3, and my OVP 13 OVP. Now that has been completed. Now I want to claim with my gate.io. So I'll provide my gate.io user ID into this place. So once you've provided your gate.io into the space provided, scroll up and tap on this register button. Now you can see important, read through this, then check this button, then tap on got it. Once tap on got it, you receive call from your MetaMask. Just make sure you accept the call and confirm the transaction. Then that has been completed. You can see here, guys, registered. So this is the simple process, guys, on how to register for the airdrop so that you'll be able to collect earn your token by November 14. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you've not subscribed to the channel, guys, kindly subscribe to our channel, tap the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.